everyone, it's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Today I wanted to share with you how I've deep cleaned my cooker and oven, and I'm going to talk you through it step by step. So as you can see, this oven is disgusting. I have been putting this off for months. This is probably the job that I hate doing the least, so it gets a bit dirty, as you can see. This is the product that I'm using to do this particular job. I usually buy a leading brand, I can't remember the name now, but it stinks. It's super toxic, but this one has no smell. The first thing I did, and I did this the night before I intended to clean the oven, was put all the different shelves into this bag and put some of the product with it, shake it about, seal it and leave it overnight. I then put on the gloves and spread all the product all over the oven, as you guys can barely see here, and again I left it overnight. It's now the next day, and here's what the oven looks like. You can see some product spilled. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on some gloves. This is super important because you don't want any of that product to get on your hands because it can irritate skin. And all I'm doing is just taking a little scrubby pad with some washing up liquid and scrubbing off any leftover. This product does an excellent job, so there isn't a lot of scrubbing involved. I'm then just putting some washing up liquid in a tub with hot water so I can clean the oven, and in the meantime I'm taking the two glass bits out, you'll see the other one later, sprinkling with bicarbonate and some vinegar and leaving it, and while that's happening I go in and scrub the oven. Most of it came off straight away, and then I just rinse. I mean, you guys are going to see the water. It is absolutely disgusting, and it's really satisfying to see the oven look so nice now. Take a look at that water. That's just from the top oven. I haven't even started in the bottom one. So just by leaving the glass to soak for about 20 minutes, not even that, just with the bicarb and the vinegar, then I just give it a quick scrub and it comes off. Everything comes off really fast. I'm taking all the knobs out and I'm going to soak them in just some washing up liquid and water, hot water obviously, and just leave them so then I can just wash them later. Refilling the tub with some more water and washing up liquid, and again doing the same thing I did to the smaller glass. And now I'm going to go and clean the bottom oven. This is so bad, you guys. This is probably the one really embarrassing spot in my house. I just put it off, and as you can see it looks pretty grim. Now the main thing to remember is to clean it and then clean it again and again and again to make sure that all the product comes out, because obviously it's quite a harsh kind of chemicals that are cleaning the oven. Now these little bits of aluminium, I've just sprayed them with my washing up liquid and just left them to soak a little bit. I ended up spraying also the glass just because I wanted to make sure that all the grease was completely gone, but they were the easiest part to clean. More hot water, and just look at the grime. That's where I took the knobs out to clean. I make a promise right here never to let it get that bad. I move the cooker and just look at the back. just look at it, guys. Look at the sides. I know you guys think that I always keep a very clean and tidy house, but this really is bad. These are the products I used. I sprayed them on the sides of the cabinet and the walls, on the tiles, on the floor, everything. And then while that was soaking, I just cleaned the top of the cooker with that Astonish paste. It's what works the best. My cooker is very, very old, so some of the stuff doesn't come out anymore, but it does a good job. So now that everything has been soaking for a few minutes, I just literally, it's just a wipe clean and you're done. I make a promise right here, right now, never to let it get this bad. It actually looks worse than it is. It didn't take that long to clean up. Once again, I let the product do the hard work and soak it and let the grime off, and then again it's just a wipe down and wipe down again and again to make sure that all the product is gone and everything's nice and clean. So much better. So then I pushed the cooker back into place, and now I'm just giving a quick wipe to the glass with some window cleaner, and here's the finished product. It looks so much better. It's not 100%, and again, it's a very old cooker, but you know, it's not too bad. And now it's just putting everything back. The glass, I'm really happy that the glass panels come out because they're easy to clean, and putting the shelves back in. And this is the best I could do, guys. I mean, it looks so much better, and I'm so glad I did this, and I will definitely not let it get this bad for again. Do you guys have a spot in your house that is the same? It just gets really bad. Let me know in the comments. That's it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I've hated cleaning it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.